Hello, law aspirants. If you're planning to study law in India, here are the top 5 law entrance exams that you should know about. First up, CLAT or the Common Law Admission Test. It's conducted by the Consortium of National Law Universities and is the gateway to 26 NLUs in India except NLU Delhi. CLAT is conducted once in a year in offline mode in December and is also accepted by many private universities like NMIMS. CLAT was first started in 2008 and since then has been the go-to law entrance exam in India. Next, we have ALET, All India Law Entrance Test. It's considered to be one of the toughest law entrance exams in India because the seats are few and competition is very intense. Thirdly, we have LSAT, which is the Law School Admission Test. It's conducted by LSAC Global, which is the Law School Admission Council, and conducts exams for international law schools in countries like US, Canada, and Australia, apart from India. LSAT is conducted twice a year, in January and in May, and is accepted by leading private universities like OP Jindal and UPES Dehradun. At number 4, we have SLAT, which is the Symbiosis Law Admission Test. It opens doors for Symbiosis law schools in Pune, Noida, Hyderabad or Nagpur. This paper tests your reading, comprehension, general knowledge and logical reasoning. Lastly, we have MHCET Law. This is a state-based examination conducted by the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test Cell. This is held once in a year in offline mode for admission to government and private universities in Maharashtra, including ILS Law College Pune and GLC Mumbai. This test is computer-based and is conducted for both 3-year and 5-year BLLB courses. So to sum up, CLAT and ALET will get you into NLUs, while LSAT, MHCET and SLAT will get you into top private and state universities. So choose your target university and start preparing early with Rodha.